I'm not in favor of all the building. I like the old Aruba where it was a little bit more quieter. You know, right now you look outside the front doors. Don't get me wrong. Some people who don't know the old Aruba enjoy it, but to me, I don't like all the buildings. Too many restaurants because there's so many good restaurants, but unfortunately, they can't all survive. There's just too much competition. And then they built at Baby Beach. I'm not a fan of that because that's where the locals would go enjoy their families. And now that's being taken over by a large corporate company, Secrets. Tourism is always going to be their number one.
Yes.
But there is one thing that does bother me. There's too many Airbnbs on this island. I think that takes away from the locals being able to afford their rent, and the home price is increasing. You know, because in the past rentals were very affordable to locals, but now with the Airbnbs, it's becoming very difficult for people to find housing for their families. Early on, there was a difference in the water. As a friend of mine always tells me, you could throw a chain in the water years ago and swim out and get it, and you'd find it. But today there's so much boat activity and so much water
Yes.
stirring up from so many people that the water is not as clear as it used to be. You do have clear days where it's more clear than others, but I think there's too much boating activity. I would hope they stop building, but unfortunately for us, the building has created more guests coming into this island, and it's good for the Aruba people. I understand that, but if you look at the infrastructure, it cannot handle all these people. You drive to a restaurant at night, it takes you 20 minutes to get there, where it used to take you 5 minutes. I think there's too many cars on the island. They need to cut that back, and I just think that the overcrowding is becoming a problem, even for the locals.